always said this is a legacy of life. You know, we don't want headstones. You know, that isn't what we had planned for them. We had, you know, plans of life and them growing up, and so they're not going to be here physically, but spiritually and emotionally. This will be the place where we think of Abby and Libby the most, I think.
This has been a big month for friends and family who've been planning and working on the Abby and Libby Memorial Park on the outskirts of Delphi, Indiana. This new playground just installed is one of the first finished elements in a 3-year plan to build a park and ball fields on this 20-acre field.
The community support has been overwhelming, and then the different companies have come on board to help us keep pushing the needle. And that's what we kind of refer to as pushing the needle to completion. AAA coming on board and offering the playground to us is just huge.
AAA State of Play donated the main structure, musical instruments, and a spring bouncer. The work was done and donated by one of our installers, Glenn Woolsey, and his crew. Working right alongside them this day were Abby's grandparents, Diane and Eric Erskine, and Libby's grandfather, Mike Patty.
It's been a lot of planning and a long time coming, putting up the fitness equipment, putting up the play structure, getting that musical equipment in is really exciting for the families, and it's really therapy for them to finally see all this coming together.
Abigail Williams and Liberty German were active in sports and music. So with sports, play, and even music, this park will be a fitting legacy.
We want their friends, their classmates, and their relatives to be able to come and have a place where they can remember them alive and happy and playing music and participating in sports.
Once the park opens next spring, it will have ball fields, an amphitheater, support buildings and shelters, a walking and fitness trail paid for by the NBA, and the playground. Over the coming weeks, they will finish installing a large swing set, playground borders with safety surfacing, and an all-ages outdoor fitness playground.
It's a good feeling. You know, when we come out here tomorrow to work on the picnic structures, we'll drive by and you'll look out there and see that playground done. You know, that's another box that we can put a check mark in.
We look around and we say, man, I can just see it. I can hear the bat crack in the background, and I can hear the kids. I can hear the creak. You know, the swing that makes that kind of a creak when the swing goes. You know, I can hear that, and I can just, you know, see the kids, you know, coming down the slide, and I can see the music playing in the background. So we have a vision, and it just seems like, especially with the playground going up, I think it's like it's finally coming to life.